Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Ricky Ross. I just want to quickly show you how to label your product that's going to Amazon warehouse. So I would assume that you've printed your labels. Print it, but I'm just only going to print about 2 pieces, just so I show you guys how it goes. This is it here, and it's going to print from my label printer here. Cool, so I got it, and the next thing I'm going to do is just cut it out, peel it off, and paste it on the product. So here I have the product, and I'm going to try and do this with one hand, guys. Now there's already a label here, but that's okay. That's exactly what I want to do. I just want to show how to, if there's a label on it, just put your label over the existing label. It's all good, and that's just it. Just put your label over it, and don't worry about this little part here, because this is where they'll scan. They're not going to scan that. They're going to scan this, and that's it, guys. That's pretty much how you print your label. So it's your boy once again, Ricky Ross. Join me for more Amazon Germany tips.